Hi there, Michael Eskin here with an ABC Transcription Tools technical demo. Recently I released a bunch of PDF Tunebooks with some pretty interesting features in them. For example, this one. This was one for the box players. It's a bunch of reels, about 400 reels, 380 reels. It has some interesting features. So in the table of contents, if you click on any tune, it takes you to that tune. And if you click on this arrow, it takes you back to the table of contents. Also at the bottom of every tune, you'll notice there's a footer. And that footer is live. If I click on that, it'll actually take me directly to my ABC tool. But the one feature that's really interesting is if you click on the title of any tune, it'll actually launch the tune in the ABC Transcription Tools, and then you can play it. And notice that it used that accordion sound. Also, now we're actually in the tool. So we have the notation. If someone wants to, they can go in and edit it. They could play around with transposing the tune, that sort of thing. So I wanted to show you today exactly how I constructed those tune books. So we're going to go through this ABC, which is the same ABC that's at the start of all of those tune books. And I'm going to take you line by line through it. So this is a much smaller set of tunes. It's basically the first 10 tunes of that real tune book. And I want to go through each line of here. So let's go ahead first and just generate the PDF from these 10 tunes. And once that's done, I'll actually open that in Acrobat. So I just wanted to show you, this is, even though it's only 10 tunes, it's exactly the same set of features as the big tune book. So we're going to close it in Firefox and go ahead and open that one in Acrobat. So here's the tune book we just created. It's only 10 tunes, same set of features, link at the bottom, return to table of contents on the left. And if I click on the tune title, it'll play in the editor with the accordion sound. So let's go through this line by line. So these are using the comment-based ABC annotations that are specific to my tool, and I'll just go through them line by line. The first one, addtitle, that creates a title page with that title. Addsubtitle puts a subtitle underneath that title. The page footer at the bottom with the link is created by this line here. URL page footer, followed by the URL you want to go to, followed by the text that you want in the footer. Addtoc is to add the table of contents, and that's the title that we saw at the top of the table of contents. And addlinkbacktotoc puts those two little arrows on the side of every page that takes you back to the table of contents. This is the magic that makes it possible to create the links and the titles that go back to the editor. So this is add all playback links, and then you can have one or two numbers here. The first number would be the melody MIDI program to use, and if you have chords, you can put a second number there, and that would be the program to use for the bass and the chords. pdfquality, these tune books can get really big, and you have some control over the resolution. It's kind of like a JPEG quality, 0.75 I think is the default in the app. You can get good results down to 0.5. So I'm just putting here to show you that it's available. Oh, and at the end of the book, I've stuck a QR code with a link to my box page and a caption for the QR code. So again, let's go ahead and render that one more time. And I'll go ahead and open it in Acrobat. And again, here's our title, here's our subtitle, table of contents, here's the linked tunes. Left side of each tune will take you back to the table of contents. And if we get the link at the bottom that goes to the tools, and if we go all the way to the end, you see now we have the QR code. Here's the caption for the QR code. And this one they can either scan with the camera or you can just click on it. And it'll take you to whatever link you set up for the QR code. So I'll actually put all of this ABC in the description of the video, so please just grab it and you can pretty much use it verbatim for your own Tunebooks. I hope these new features are useful to you, and I'm very interested to see what sorts of things you all do with it.